So in this video I will say basically how to install this PW application, whoever from you study in PW, in your desktop. ठीक है, मोस्ट पीपल डोंट नो दिस, मैं भी पहले नहीं जानता था कैसे, बहुत परेशान होती थी और हमेशा ब्राउज़र में जाकर ओपन करना पड़ता था. तो आई विल शेयर इन दिस वीडियो हाउ कैन यू ऑल्सो डाउनलोड दिस in your desktop. Like you can see here, this I have this here application and it's already logged in. Okay, it's, you can see this is not from just copy of that browser. It's application. So I will tell you, but for that I think I need to uninstall it first to show you how can I reinstall this. Okay, so I am now uninstalling this, or I can delete it, right? ठीक है, तो I am deleting it. Okay, so here undo, ठीक है. So now at first you have to go to Physics Wallah website, official website, यहाँ पर जो Physics Wallah है, तो you will go. Okay, sorry, I have to delete it total at first, then I will tell you. 1 minute, I have to just remove it from my whole desktop. Okay, give me 1 minute, just here it is. So I have to first uninstall it, then I can show you. One minute. Okay, so now I am showing you. So at first go to any browser, then type Physics Wallah, okay, and then go to this website, the official website, and here you can see this option. Can you see this option? Click here. Okay, this option. Click here. This option. This is the install option or download option. If you click here, then install, and it is installed in a second. If you have Wi-Fi, then in a second you will you can see it is installed. So now the problem is, if you cancel it, then it will be disappear from the taskbar. So you have to pin this in your taskbar. So pin this. Okay, so here is the option. Right click on this and left click on pin to the taskbar. So now it is in the taskbar, and if you also, you can see desktop, it again already come. So if you don't know how to add it in desktop, or it itself if not appear in the desktop, then what you can do is just after installing in your desktop, just search Physics Wallah, then go to the open file location. Okay, open file location, then just you can copy it, Ctrl C, or you can just from here copy it, then come to the desktop and just इसको cancel कर देता हूँ, and then you can paste here. Okay, paste, and okay, as I have already in my desktop, so it's telling me to replace. But for you, if you not already have in your desktop, then you can just automatically get it. So this is the process. Or for someone, ठीक है, आप लोगों के जो भी, अगर आप लोगों को लॉगिन करना पड़ रहा है, ठीक है, मेरे यहाँ पर जाने के बाद ही ऑटोमेटिकली मेरा आईडी खुल जा रहा है, क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी लॉग्ड इन हूँ. तो आप लोगों में से जो भी लॉग्ड इन नहीं हो, तो उन लोगों के लिए यहाँ पर फर्स्ट में नंबर चाहेगा, जिसका भी मोबाइल नंबर है वगैरह, एंड देन OTP जाएगा. देन यू विल गेट हियर द ऑप्शन ऑफ इंस्टॉलिंग, ओके, फॉर डेस्कटॉप. So